Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Probabilistic AI, Dealing with Uncertainty. As developers, we love certainty. If X then Y. But the real world is messy. Things aren't always black and white, true or false. Probabilistic AI is how our programs learn to deal with maybe, probably, or likely. It's like giving your code a gut feeling that's backed by math, allowing it to make smart decisions even when the information is incomplete or uncertain. This is crucial for building robust, real-world AI applications. Imagine you're building an app. What if a sensor sometimes gives slightly wrong readings? What if a user's voice command is muffled, or an image is blurry? Traditional code, built on rigid rules, struggles here. If it's not exactly X then the if statement fails. Probabilistic AI helps your system make the best possible guess even when the data is imperfect, incomplete, or noisy. It's about building resilient software that doesn't break down when faced with ambiguity. You're familiar with Boolean conditions and if-else statements. Probability is like adding a likelihood or degree of truth to those conditions. Instead of if condition equals true, imagine if condition is probably true with 80% chance. We express probability as a number between 0, impossible, and 1, certain. For developers, this means our AI outputs aren't just a definitive yes or no, but a numeric confidence score that tells us how likely something is. When an AI tells you, "That's a cat," it's rarely 100% sure. It's more like, "I'm 95% sure that's a cat, 4% sure it's a dog, and 1% sure it's a fluffy cloud." This confidence score, or probability distribution, is the core of probabilistic AI. It allows your application to not just make a classification, but to understand its own level of certainty, which is vital for making nuanced decisions in your code, like triggering a warning if confidence is too low. Think of Bayes' theorem as your AI learning and updating its beliefs based on new evidence. Imagine building a spam filter. Initially, it has some probability of what constitutes spam. If it sees a new email with "free money" in the subject line, Bayes' theorem helps it update its probability that this specific email is spam, and also refines its general belief about how likely future emails with similar words are to be spam. It's a mathematical framework for improving predictions as more data comes in. Probabilistic AI powers many features you use daily. As a developer, you'll encounter it in spam filters. Is this email probably spam based on its words and sender? Single quote. Medical diagnosis tools. Given these symptoms and test results, what's the most likely disease? Single quote. Recommendation systems. You probably like this movie, given your past viewing history. Self-driving cars. Is that object likely a pedestrian, or probably a lamppost? Single quote. It enables your applications to gracefully handle ambiguity and make informed, flexible decisions. As a developer, you won't usually calculate complex probabilities from scratch. Instead, many AI/ML libraries, like scikit-learn in Python, will provide you with confidence scores or probability outputs directly from their models. Your job is to understand what these numbers mean, interpret them in your application logic, and use them to build robust features, perhaps by setting a threshold. E.g., if prediction_probability greater than 0.7, then take action or by presenting these probabilities to the user for better transparency. Probabilistic AI isn't about being unsure. It's about being smart about uncertainty. By understanding and leveraging probabilities, you can build AI systems that are more reliable, adaptive, and effective in the unpredictable real world. It transforms your AI from a rigid rule follower into a savvy decision maker, making your applications much more powerful and useful in dealing with the complexities of real-world data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.